guys, today I'm going to be doing a full face of E.L.F. makeup. I use my own primer. This is the No Problem Priming Water. I got it from Itsby. Okay, so this is the box that it came in. It's super cool. I'm a sucker for good packaging, so definitely something that I really enjoyed about getting this box. If you guys don't know, E.L.F. actually stands for eyes, lips, and face. I had no idea about that before I started using E.L.F. products. And inside we have all of this stuff that we're going to use in this video. And I even got an E.L.F. brush to try it out. And I got like a number of lipsticks and stuff, so obviously everything in this we're not going to try, but it'll be really cool to check it out and see like how everything works. I got 4 lip colors. I'm not sure which one I'm going to use in this tutorial. The first color I got was Berry Bordeaux. I'm thinking about maybe trying it in this video, so hopefully we'll get to use that. The other color is Crazy Cranberry. I think this is such a cool like holiday color, and the holidays are coming up now, so it'll be like super cool to try it out. The next color I got was Wine Tour, and I love this color so much. So obviously you can see that I like the darker colors more. So I think that would be really great to have some more darker color lipsticks. Right now I have a lot of reds and stuff, so it's super cool to try something new. And then the last one is Vampy Violet. I love a good vamp look, so I'll definitely be using this one a lot. So we're going to start with our concealer. What I do is I usually put concealer on under the eye and on the nose, and then after that I put foundation on. If I feel like I need more, I add more. This is the 16-hour Camo Concealer. It's in the color Deep Olive, and I am super excited to use it. I've used it once before. This one isn't the newest E.L.F. product that I have, but it'll be cool to see how it works with everything else. They actually have a lot of shades in this one. Also, we're going to be using the Flawless Finish. This foundation is actually really good. I've used it once before, and I think it's really great. So I'm going to go in with this E.L.F. Total Face Brush. And I've never used it before. I just got it, so it's going to be super cool to see how it works. From the top, I can kind of tell that I might need to pull in my Real Techniques face brush, only because I don't like brushes that are really long and not very like thick. So we'll see how that works out. And I'm going to blend the concealer now. Yeah, it's not blending the concealer very well. I'm going to pull in my Real Techniques. This is the Expert Face Brush, and I love using the Expert Face Brush, so I'm definitely going to use that instead of this E.L.F. one. Unfortunately, it's really thin and doesn't blend concealer very well. Okay, so this concealer dries down very fast, so you have to move really quickly with it. It is a great concealer though. You just have to work really fast while you're using it. Typically I don't like concealers that dry fast, but it's good to know that it won't mix in with my foundation when I put it on. I'm going to go in with the Flawless Finish foundation, and it's supposed to be oil free and have a satin finish. So my skin doesn't get very oily. It's really actually quite dry. This is the shade Chocolate, and it's rich with peachy undertones. I've never used anything with peachy undertones, but from what I've learned from using it before, this is a really great product. It comes with a pump, which I always love because like that way I know I'm not wasting product. Alright, and now we're going to apply it to the skin. I know you're not supposed to apply foundation with your fingers, but I typically do it just because I know my hands are clean. Always wash your hands before you start doing makeup because you don't want to cause any like skin irritation or anything like that. I'm going to go back in with the E.L.F. Total Face Brush, hoping that it will blend a lot better with foundation. I'll give it like one more chance. It's not very thick, but it is blending, so we'll keep using it. Okay. I'm also going to go in with some more foundation. I just feel like it's not super full coverage, but I don't think it's meant to be full coverage. I just like to add an extra layer, especially under the eyes where I put the concealer. Personally, I feel like I like full coverage because if you have dark spots like I do, it's easier to cover them up. But some people have like model skin and it's totally fine. I don't have skin like that, so natural looks don't always work for me. Yeah, so it's definitely nice to have something with a little more medium to full coverage. This foundation reminds me a lot of the L'Oreal Infallible Dewy foundation, which is one of my favorite ones that I go to when I'm using drugstore. So I definitely think that this formula can be really compared to L'Oreal, and I actually really like it. Next is the concealer feels like it kind of blended in really well, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go on top of the foundation with the E.L.F 16-hour Camo Concealer. It has a nice doe foot applicator. It's really big, but it's actually really cool to use on the nose. It fits the bridge of my nose really well, so that's something I really enjoy about using this concealer. I'm going to go back in with my Real Techniques Expert Face Brush. I'm going to blend that out. The foundation still isn't covering the concealer, which I thought it would do. Maybe I'll just add a little bit more foundation and see. I feel like it might be a concealer issue. Or maybe this could just be me. I could have gotten the wrong shade. If I would have just gotten like a slightly darker shade, I wouldn't have to work so hard to cover up this concealer. But the good thing about E.L.F. is that they have a ton of concealer shades that you can choose from. I sometimes like a lighter color under the eye, but because this color is so light, I think I'm going to go with a more deeper tone next time. I mean, I don't like my skin to look super perfect, so it's great that it's not completely full coverage. But it is sort of a medium coverage, so it covers a lot of those imperfections that I have. Not that being imperfect is anything bad. I have a certain way that I like to look when I wear makeup. We're going to go in with this super cool cream blush palette. It has 4 colors. Let me see if I can open it. And this is the bold palette. Okay, so I'm going to go back in with this E.L.F. Total Face Brush. Or maybe I'm going to use one of my Farrah Beauty brushes. I think I'm going to go with this really pretty red shade here. If I was doing like a more vampy look, I think I would go with that purple. But I think I'm going to go with the red. I think it'll look really cute. And from the past, using E.L.F. blush products, cream blushes, I found that like their formula is really good. I really enjoy a cream blush versus a powder blush. That's just my preference. So we're just going to go in on the cheeks a little bit. When it's powder, it just doesn't show up. So it's really great to see it for once. And oh my gosh, this color is so pretty. You know, for a long time as an African American woman, people always told me that lipsticks don't work for you, and they also told me that blushes don't work for you. And you know what? I think that's all just crap. Like, wear what you want to wear. It still looks pretty. You look good with a rosy cheek, and if you want a rosy cheek, then wear the color. It just looks amazing. So that is up to you. Don't listen to what people tell you about your beauty. You're pretty either way. So, I'm going to go into Berry Bordeaux. Ooh, look at that. I think that's a really pretty lip color. I'm going to swatch it really quick. That's really pretty. I think it'll be cool because I don't want to match the cheeks too much. I was going to go in with like a Cranberry, but I'm not going to do that. Alright, so for the lips, I'm going to be using Berry Bordeaux from E.L.F. And I don't remember if this is a matte or not. We'll find out. I got some velvet ones and I got some matte ones, so the only problem is they don't say which ones are velvet and which ones are matte. So I'll have to remember that from the packaging. Which I took the packaging off because I really was excited to see the stuff, so I just got rid of the packaging. I kind of like it. The formula is a little bit drying, and for a person like me who has dry lips, it's not very, like, it doesn't feel very, like, nice on the lips. It's probably because it's matte. If you have dry lips, don't always go for a matte because it's just going to dry them out more. But I did get this multi-stick, which is also you can use it for a blush, you can use it on your eyes, you could also use it on your lips. So maybe this will help with hydration. And this is the color Luminous Berry. I don't like it. It's a little too shimmery for me, but yeah, it's a little too shimmery. I think we're gonna wipe it off. Well, now it's like kind of growing on me. Okay, so this multi-stick added a lot of hydration. So if you want to use these two together, that's always a great option. I didn't realize how much of a glam look I was going for today, but I think it looks really cute. I don't have a mascara by E.L.F, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go in with my L'Oreal. If it's not E.L.F, it's L'Oreal. I feel like their formulas are very similar, so I'm really loving that E.L.F is reminding me of L'Oreal because that's my favorite drugstore brand. I'm going to go in with this Luminous Base Primer from L'Oreal Paris for the mascara. I like to do my lashes first and then curl them. Only because, like, I feel like once the product's up there, it'll help it, like, stick in place a little better. Some people do like to curl before mascara, but I just have my preference of what I like to do. Okay, so I'm going to go in with this E.L.F eyelash curler. Well, it's the E.L.F Pro Eyelash Curler. I don't normally curl my lashes, so I thought it would be a great addition to my makeup thing. It came with an extra curl thing. Okay, so I'm going to go in with this eyelash curler. I think it'll make my eyelashes look super cute. Do you ever get nervous when things are really close to your eyes? Like, I get so nervous. Like, I tried contacts for a while, and then I got so nervous about it that I just stopped like a month ago because I was terrified. Ooh, look at that curl. So pretty. I didn't find an E.L.F brow product, so I'm just going to go in with my own brow product. Let's see if I can find it. This is the Wander Beauty eyebrow thing in dark brown. I don't know what it's called. Oh, the Frame Your Face Micro Brow Pencil. This has become one of my favorite products. I got it from Ipsby, and I just think like it's so great. So if you ever want to try this product out, definitely go to Ipsby and find it, or go to Wander Beauty. I'm gonna go in and start framing my eyebrows with this pencil. Lately, I've had like 0 eyebrows, so it'll be good to draw some on because I've just been so insecure about my eyebrows lately. And the thing I like about this product is that it's really subtle and not too crazy. So yeah, I think it'll look great. Yeah, see, now I have like a little bit of a brow, so that's really great. I'm like really excited to try Boy Brow from Glossier. Comment down below if you want me to do a Glossier video. That would be really cool. I think it's something I've been wanting to do for a while, so if it's like in demand, I definitely think I would do it more. So I'm gonna go over the whole face and blend it out one last time, just to like make sure everything's blended really well. A little bit more of Berry Bordeaux just to cover up the multi-stick. I didn't really like the shimmer that it had to it, but if you love shimmer, that's the product for you. The one product I didn't use in this tutorial was the Jelly Pop E.L.F. Face and Eye Gloss. I have used it once, and I used it for Halloween trying to get like a euphoria look, and my sister did it. The thing about it is it's very, I don't know, like if you like a Glossier face where it's just literally like drenched in gloss, then you will love this product. I definitely have to try it out a little bit more. This is the color Creamsicle Pop, and I definitely have to play around with it a little more. I'm not a makeup expert quite yet, so I really want to figure out how to use it properly, so this will be in another video coming up later if I figure it out. So that was my full face of E.L.F. products. Comment down below and let me know what other products you want me to try out. I know Florence by Mills is a really great one right now. Milk Makeup is a great one. I'd love to try those out, so definitely let me know if you're interested in me trying any of those out. This is the finished look. My Instagram is at it's Ayonna Lee, IVANALEE. So if you guys do try some E.L.F. products, make sure you DM me and let me know that you tried it and send me pictures. I love seeing pictures of makeup and stuff like that, so definitely send me some stuff. I'm always open to trying new things too, so if you have a new product you want me to try, definitely tell me about it in the comment section down below, or you can tell me on Instagram. That would be amazing. Please hit the like button and subscribe and turn your notification bells on. It really helps me out, it helps me get views and helps my videos get to you quicker. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. Bye.